The movie database TMDB provides an API that allows developer to request information about movies, TV shows, and other related data. These requests are made using HTTP methods like GET, and the responses are typically in JSON format. Let's explain how TMDB movie requests and responses work. To access the API of the moviedb.org, we'll go to the api.themoviedb.org/3, and this is considered as base URL. Then you need to specify the endpoint. TMDB's API has various endpoints, each designed for a specific type of data or functionality. For movie-related data, you typically use endpoints like /movie, /search /movie, or /discover/movie. In our application, I'll get the popular movies list, so I need to access the endpoint movie/popular. Then you should follow it by the question mark. This question mark separates the base URL and the endpoint from the query parameters. Query parameters are key value pairs added to the end of a URL to customize and specify the details of an HTTP request. These parameters are separated from the base URL by a question mark and from each other by ampersands. Query parameters are used to send additional information to the server when making an HTTP request. They are added to the URL as key value pairs, where the key represents the parameter name and the value is the data associated with that parameter. The MovieDB website requests from us to include the API key as a query parameters in all of our requests. Open your browser, go to api.themoviedb.org/3, and here I'm going to search for movie/popular. If I don't specify the API key and click enter, you can see I have this message telling us the status code equal to 7, invalid API key. You must be granted a valid key. So for that, in the previous videos, we created this API key and we created an account on the website to get the API key. To include the API key, as I told you, I need to specify the query parameters start by using the question mark. This is the start of query parameters, and the query key equals, and this is my API key. Hit enter, you can see this is the response from our server. Don't be afraid, this is the response from MovieDB servers. The response body contains the actual data being returned by TMDB. This data is typically in JSON format and includes detailed information about the requested movie or movies. Since I requested the popular movies, I returned this list